Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Dirt Devil filters are probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of maintaining a powerful and efficient vacuum cleaner, ensuring that every pass across your floors captures dust, allergens, and debris effectively, thereby contributing significantly to a cleaner and healthier home environment for you and your loved ones. Number 5. KEEPOW Filter Replacement for Dirt Devil F1. Ensure your Dirt Devil vacuum is running at its best with these perfectly compatible replacement filters. They are designed to fit a wide range of models for your convenience. Experience cleaner air with our advanced Hepa media filtration. It captures 99.97% of tiny particles, including dust and pet hair, for a healthier home environment. These filters are not only effective but also washable and reusable. Simply rinse and dry them completely for continued use, saving you money and reducing waste. Each pack includes 3 filters, providing enough supply for a full year of use. This means less frequent purchasing and more time enjoying a clean home. For peak vacuum performance, we recommend replacing your filter every 3 to 6 months, depending on your cleaning habits. Keep your machine running smoothly. We stand behind our product. If you encounter any issues with your replacement filters or our service, please contact us directly. We're here to help resolve any problems quickly. What we like. This option offers excellent Hepa filtration, capturing 99.97% of particles. It's also washable and reusable, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking for a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution with a generous supply, this is a great choice. What people say. The filters fit perfectly and are easy to install. The vacuum cleaner works much better with these new filters, picking up more dirt and debris. The filters seem to be of good quality and are holding up well after several uses. Number 4. Easy Spares Vacuum Filter for Dirt Devil F2. Ensure a perfect fit for your Dirt Devil F2 vacuum. These filters are compatible with a wide range of Dirt Devil part numbers and models, guaranteeing seamless integration. For optimal suction and performance, we recommend replacing your filter every 2 to 3 months. This simple step helps extend the life of your vacuum cleaner. These replacement filters are designed to capture fine particles, dust, and pet hair. They effectively protect your vacuum's motor, ensuring longevity and efficiency. Replacing the filter in your vacuum is a straightforward process. You'll have your machine running like new in no time. Our filters undergo rigorous testing and inspection to ensure the highest quality. We stand by our products and are here to assist if you have any concerns. What we like. This set provides F2 filters, designed to capture small particles and protect your vacuum motor. With 4 filters in the pack, you'll have plenty to keep your machine running smoothly. If you need a reliable supply of filters specifically for F2 compatible models and want to ensure your vacuum's longevity, consider this option. What people say. The filters fit perfectly and are easy to install. The vacuum cleaner works much better with these new filters, picking up more dust and debris. The filters seem to be of good quality and are holding up well after several uses. Number 3. F1 Hepa Filter 2-Pack for Dirt Devil Vacuums. Introducing our high-quality replacement Hepa filters. They are washable, reusable, easy to install, and built to last, offering a practical and long-lasting solution for your cleaning needs. These F1 Hepa filters are designed for a perfect fit with specific Dirt Devil models, including those made after March 2003. They seamlessly integrate with your vacuum for optimal performance. Enjoy broad compatibility with numerous Dirt Devil bagless upright models. Check the list to ensure it works with your specific vacuum, from the Featherlight to the Scorpion and many more. Upgrade your vacuum's performance with these filters. They are essential for reducing odors from pets, smoke, cooking, and other household smells, ensuring a fresher environment. This package includes 2 replacement vacuum filters. Replacing your filters regularly ensures your vacuum continues to operate at its best. What we like. This is a high-quality, washable, and reusable Hepa filter designed for long-lasting performance. It's easy to install and helps reduce unpleasant household odors. If you prioritize effective odor reduction and a durable, easy-to-maintain filter for your compatible Dirt Devil model, this is a solid pick. What people say. The filter fits perfectly and the vacuum cleaner works like new again. Easy to install and the suction power has improved significantly. Great value for the price, and the filters are durable. Number 2. PUREBURG F66 Replacement Filter Set for Dirt Devil Vacuums. This comprehensive set includes 4 Hepa filters and 8 foam filters, allowing you to replace all your vacuum's filters at once. These filters are designed to be compatible with a range of Dirt Devil upright vacuum models, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. Easily replace your old filters with these new ones, as they are designed to directly substitute Dirt Devil part number F663047080001. We use top-notch materials to ensure maximum customer satisfaction. These filters are built to provide excellent performance for your device. Experience guaranteed performance with our high-quality filters. They are designed for optimal dust cleaning, keeping your home cleaner. Trust PUREBURG for your vacuum maintenance needs. Our filters are crafted for durability and effectiveness, ensuring your vacuum runs smoothly. What we like? This comprehensive set comes with both Hepa and foam filters, offering a complete replacement for your vacuum's filtration system. It's ideal for a thorough clean and maintenance. If you want to replace all your filters at once and ensure optimal performance with a combination of Hepa and foam, this bundle is perfect for you. What people say? The filters are a perfect fit for my Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner. These filters effectively capture dust and debris, keeping the air cleaner. Easy to install and replace, making maintenance a breeze. Number 1. Replacement. Discover the newest innovation in replacement technology. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into your existing setup, offering enhanced performance and reliability. Experience unparalleled performance with this advanced solution. It's engineered to meet and exceed your expectations, providing a superior user experience. Crafted with high-quality materials, this replacement ensures long-lasting durability. You can count on it to withstand the demands of daily use. Setting it up is a breeze. Its intuitive design allows for quick and effortless integration, saving you time and hassle. Make the smart choice for your needs. This product offers a perfect blend of innovation, performance, and value. What we like? This filter is designed to be washable, reusable, and easy to install, offering a practical and long-lasting solution. It ensures your vacuum continues to perform efficiently. If you value convenience, durability, and a straightforward filter replacement that keeps your vacuum in top shape, this is a great option to consider. What people say? These filters fit my Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner perfectly. The vacuum cleaner works much better with these new filters installed. Easy to replace, and they seem to do a good job of trapping dust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.